Truman Talks Live on Great Day Live is sponsored by the Karl Truman Law Office.
When you were in a car accident and you get a call from an insurance adjuster, you probably appreciated the call and the concern.
But the company may not have had your best interest at heart. Attorney Karl Truman says the adjuster's job is to save the insurance company money, not to put money in your pocket.
Good morning, Karl.
Good morning.
Nice to see you today.
Imagine that. The insurance company may not have your best interest at heart.
Well, you'd be surprised how many times someone will come to me, they thought they could, that somehow their auto accident case is easy, and they say, well, I thought the insurance company would be fair with me. And they discovered that that's really not true, and then they come in and see us.
So you say there are some questions that you should ask the insurance company.
Well, if you really want to think you can do it on your own, then here's some questions to ask the insurance adjuster about your claim.
Yeah.
All right, you want to start with point one on here?
Well, first of all, ask them how much reserve do they have set on your case.
Which means what?
Well, every insurance adjuster has to set cash reserves for the case, meaning that they have to basically make a prediction of to what they think the case will settle for. Well, they're not going to tell you what that number is, but if they have a number set and they actually can settle for less than that, then they get a big pat on the back from their manager.
So they might not necessarily tell you that even if you ask what the reserve
No, they're
is?
not going to tell you what the reserves are set on
Go
your
ahead
case.
and ask anyway.
What about if you act like Bobby Knight in that commercial where you go in and scream at everybody and they hide under the bushes?
And they're scared, so they tell you anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Can't do that, right?
This one's interesting, too. You say to ask if they've gotten a credit report on you because they have access to that information. They might know if you're maybe desperate for anything you can get.
Well, that's the other point is that the insurance companies, it's amazing what databases they have about all of us and what research and what background research they do about people that will make claims. Sometimes they'll even send investigators out to hide in the bushes with video cameras watching people. They do that a lot. But they have all kinds of databases that they'll look, and if they think that they can manipulate you or think that, well, you're out of work or you really need money, then they can use that as a bargaining tool against you.
And it's okay to ask for a copy of the other driver's insurance policy? The negligent driver?
Well, you want to find out what are their policy limits, because if you don't know what their policy limits are, then you don't really know what you're bargaining for. But unfortunately, and sometimes even us as lawyers, we have to file suit if we think that if there's a significant claim and that we want to know what the policy limits are. Sometimes the adjusters just refuse to say, but if we are into lawsuit, then they have to disclose it. But if you feel you have a significant claim, then you should ask the claims adjuster what are their policy limits.
Okay, then also medical records. If somebody was hurt, went to the hospital, you say ask for a written promise to provide you copies of every medical record they obtain. Why would that be so?
Well, this is a big one because oftentimes one of the first things that the claims adjuster will do is they'll give you a medical authorization. And they'll say, well, we need to know what your medical records say about this accident. And they'll lead you to believe that, oh, they're only going to get a record for this for your doctor that you're seeing. But in reality, once you sign that medical authorization, you are giving them permission to get any medical record of any treatment that you've ever had in your whole life.
All right, we're about to run out of time here, but next time we're going to talk about 7 more points, including how insurance companies can be linked together and actually work out cozy situations among themselves.
Yeah, you have to be aware of what really is going on.
All right, we appreciate you, Karl. Next week, we'll get to 7 more points on things you should ask an insurance adjuster. You can call Karl Truman at 222-2222, and he'll send you a copy of the entire list. Thanks, Karl.
Thank you.